Praise the Lord. Ave Maria. Welcome to another episode of Faithful Friend. Today's food for thought. Don't live just for the sake of living. Live for a purpose. One of the serious loss COVID has caused to individuals is the loss of meaning to life, especially for those who attributed everything to their high paying jobs or booming businesses or luxurious lifestyles or large social connect. With COVID, when the businesses have come to standstill or they have lost their job or they are forced to live a frugal lifestyle with no options of social events, it feels like living just for the sake of living and eventually succumbing to the feeling of hopelessness and helplessness. Saint Paul, a zealous apostle of Christ, shows us another way. In Philippians chapter 1 verses 20, he says, "As it is my eager expectation and hope that I shall not be at all ashamed, but that with full courage, now as always, Christ will be honored in my body, whether by life or by death." Saint Paul lived for a purpose beyond himself. He valued his work more than the name and fame that he got from it. By life or even death, his only desire was to honor Christ. Secret to a successful life is when we live for a purpose that is beyond ourselves. We should let go our desire to be famous, rather focus on accomplishing the task at hand. We should have the conviction that our areas of service to others is more important than ourselves. Everyone cannot desire to be captain of a sailboat. One or two can steer the boat from the wheelhouse, whereas others have to control the mainsail. For our goals should not be to become a captain, rather that the boat should sail ahead and reach the destination. Moses considered the liberation of Israelites more important than his personal comforts. Abraham Lincoln and Mahatma Gandhi valued their countries over themselves. Florence Nightingale valued the service to the sick more than herself. If we consider us working for our purposes more important than our personal name and fame, we will never fail in life. Businessman should consider his employees and customers more important than himself. Doctors should consider serving patients as his life purpose. Teachers, her students, and head of the family should consider his family members as important. Acknowledging the presence of God and cooperating with His grace, if we completely surrender our lives to do the most important duties in service of others, our lives will become successful.